What's good, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. We're in the garage right now because it's air conditioning in here, unlike the shop. I got my boy Lou. Stang's looking a little different today, but today, focus, you piece of garbage. But today, we are doing a headlight restore kit. I'm not sure how well this is gonna work. It was 20 bucks, so I thought I'd try it. But as you can see, my headlights are pretty fogged over and kind of yellowed out. And they just kind of take away from the entire look of the car. So we're gonna try to fix that today. We're gonna show you guys how to do that, how to get good results. So without further ado, let's get into it. All right, guys, this is all you're gonna need for the headlight restore. Everything you see here except for the drill comes in the kit, and then you just need any kind of electric drill. All right, guys, first step, put this little Velcro bit onto your drill, and then it's gonna come with these circles. Get the 800 grit and just Velcro's on there, just like that. Next, forgot to mention this, but you're also gonna need a spray bottle with some water. Come over to your headlight and just spray a lot of water on there. We're gonna do a process known as wet sanding to get all of the yellow and fade out of the headlight. All right, guys, step 2, take your drill with 800 grit. Be careful not to hit your bodywork and put it on a lower setting and just sand away at it, just like this. Make sure you get full coverage, and then we'll move up the grid. All right, guys, this is what it should look like after you're done with 800. Pretty disgusting, I know. It's got that yellow gunk from the headlight, but then you're just gonna wipe it clean with a rag. Yes, sir, and it should be even more hazy than it was before. After you've done that, just repeat the process, but take off your 800 grit sandpaper and use the 1500 grit. After the 1500 grit sandpaper, that's what it should look like. And just wipe it off, and it should be pretty hazy at this point. All right, guys, after you're done with the 1500 grit, dry the headlight completely, make sure there's no water, and then move on to the 3000 grit sandpaper. All right, guys, next take your 3000 grit, it should be the one with the little sponge on it, and make sure that your headlight is completely dry. Take your 3000 grit and just go back and forth motions. Once you're done, it should have a little bit of haze throughout, but we'll get rid of that in the polishing step. All right, after you're done with the 3000 grit, take your microfiber towel, just wipe off all that excess dust and debris, and then come over to your drill, and you're gonna get this sponge looking thing. Just attach it onto the drill bit. Next, you're gonna take your solution and you're gonna put a nickel-sized dollop on there. How much you wanna bet that there's a freaking...
Bro, yeah.
Next, take your polish, like a nickel size, and then come over to your headlight and polish in small portions. Just overlap it until it looks good. All right, guys, once you're done with the polishing, it should look pretty good. Check it out. Look at that. That looks way better than before. And if you go up close, there's still some haze, but that's under the lens. We couldn't get to that. I'll probably buy new headlights eventually, but for now, this definitely surpassed my expectations. I'll put a link to the kit that I bought in the description so that you guys can buy it. It was the new lens. It was like 20 bucks. Definitely worth 20 bucks. But yeah, that is how you restore your headlights. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.